Yeah, I hit the gym, just opened up again, Reza, he loaded me up with 2 plates. Then I went home, baby, she made me a meal, she loaded me up with 2 plates. Jump on a whip, registered that in GA, I had to go get me new plates. I just bought a crib, had to move out of New York, I'm really enjoying the space. Jump on a stick, pray that I don't gotta use it, but I got it there just in case. You know what it is, people be talking on love, but never say that to my face. Look at my wrist, ain't nothing on it just yet, everything got its time and its place. If they throw a fit, when you tell them no, that's how you know they ain't respect you off rip. Man, it's a trip. But hey, it could be worse. Say it again for them in the back so they know for sure it could be worse. Life is hard, I thank God, it could be worse. Life is hard, I thank God, it could be worse. Way worse. Look, it could be worse. Used to be scared of the first. I used to pack up the merch, go do the show, had to put square on my phone. I used to pray that it work, ain't always work. I used to play at the church, daddy didn't come with no perks. Hey, what's the verse? Come to me all over thirsty. Got living water for sure. Mine was a nurse, had a whole life in the purse. Might get a face in the shirt, heck on the waiter, right to the table. She asked me what do I want for dessert. I told her surprise me, ain't much surprise me, man. All of my heels be wildin', man. Look at what happened to Cosby, man. Look at what happened to Robbie, damn. Tryna make sure that it's not me, man. Whole life monotony, man. How I'ma run when temptation come, it got me, man. But hey, it could be worse. It could be worse. Life is hard. It could be worse. Life is hard, I thank God, it could be worse. Way.